Hello, my name is Jim Mulaney from Sitek Process Solutions. Today is Friday, December 18th, 2015. Today I'm doing a simple video source inspection of a Semitool 280F Spin Rinse Dryer. The reason for this source inspection is that we have many customers who purchased or completely remanufactured Semitool Spin Rinse Dryers from us. We've done over 1,000 systems, and we are contacted on a daily basis selling spares worldwide. But a lot of customers don't realize that we offer a full, complete refurbishment program. To give you an example before, let me just go ahead and turn quickly. As you can see, this is sometimes the condition of how systems are sent to us. You can see they're not in the very good condition at all. Flip back here. Whoops, sorry about that. Okay, so customers can send us their system. What we do is we'll set up their head assembly, and this is for repairs and refurbishments. We set up the head assembly, we go through an evaluation of it, and send back the customer report. We have a fixed fee cost for per head for refurbishment, plus any extra costs, which would be traditionally for missing or defective parts that are not covered in the normal refurbishment. We then send back the list to the customer, get their okay, and we start the refurbishment process. To give you an idea, I'll give you a better look here. As you can see, the system is in excellent shape. Part of our refurbishment program, and I won't go through, is we rebuild the motors, we check all the TAC and RSP sensors, replace the PSI sensors, both the N2 and the incoming N2. We rebuild the valving, we relabel all the new, we put in brand new pneumatic tubing. It's all color coded with a marked at the top. We check all the Humphrey valves. We go through, we rebalance the motors, we put new drain lines in, we put all new Teflon lines in, we go through all the wiring. All the wiring now is all labeled 100% everywhere. We send the bowl out to have it reprocessed. I've been running it so it's kind of warm there on the heater system. And then we start the build process. As you can see, this system looks basically 95% brand new right now, and it came back to us in horrible shape. That's what our standard refurbishment program does. Let me get out of the way. Okay. Alrighty. This system, the customer runs the A194 60MB cassette. I have a full cassette of wafers. The bowl, this rotor is rebalanced, and the bowl was reprocessed and electropolished. This system, I believe, we included new door seals and new windows also. There's no poly on this system because the customer specifically sends us head assemblies. We actually have multiple head assemblies in-house for to refurbishment, and we do one at a time. We package it back up. These are used as spares, and then the customer, as they have an issue with SRDs in their facility, they pull out the head assembly from their spares and then replace it and send us another one to refurbish. So, again, we've gone through the complete refurbishment program on this. It looks great. This video is just for documentation. We document, videotape every tool we ship for quality control and let the customer know we've done it. The customer is using the 102 controller down below, and this is doing a traditional low RPM, which is 500 RPM rinse. We'll then go into the purge and the dry 1 and dry 2. We go through, when we do a customer's refurbishment, we use the same refurbishment practices as we do our own systems. We do not, there's no change in the quality of what we do. We always build to the highest quality, and same thing with our quality control and our final test. This system is ran over 50 times after it's been refurbished and repaired, and to make sure there's no errors. Since it's a brush motor, it's a little bit slower ramping up. Brushless motor goes faster. The brush motor ramps up. Okay, we're ramped up nicely. What's our RPM at? We're right around 1800 RPM. Getting there. There we go. As you can see, the system's running nice and smooth. No real vibration. Looks good. Excellent condition. Well, since we have an elongated dry cycle, I'll go ahead and talk about our website. If you go to our website at sitekprocess.com, which is sitekprocess.com. You can see on our left-hand side there's buttons you can click on for our Semitool refurbishments. We refurbish all versions of the Semitool Spin Rinse Dryers. We also have 100% spare parts replacement on them, on the systems. We also do complete servicing. We do motor rebuilds, amp repairs, controller repairs, valve rebuilds. The customers can send us a full head assembly in, or they can send us just parts to go through the remanufacturing process. We're now ramping down into dry 2, which is the traditional low RPM for the Semitool. We're kind of in the 240-second, which is kind of a long, boring time part of this rebuild now. There's nothing to do but kind of watch it spin. In fact, for this video, we posted on our LinkedIn and our website to show that we do offer remanufactured systems. Let's see. You got about another minute and a half, 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes to go. At the end of this process, actually, because the video's no reason to watch it dry. I know the substrates are already dry, so we can finish the process for 2 more minutes. But for the sake of the video, to prove the stop works, I'll hit stop. It winds down. Once you get past the RPM level of 30, there you go, 35. The rotor stop positioner fired, and I just heard the door. In a second, I'll hear the door release. There we go. And I'll just take a quick look. I didn't let it go through the whole dry cycle. However, these are nice and dry and it's warm. The bowl looks good. As you can see, our refurbishment process, the bowl is in excellent condition. Let's bring it up a little bit closer. Looks nice. And I just gave you an example of what they look like in the beginning of this movie prior to me starting this video. Alrighty, so that will conclude this simple video source inspection of a Semitool 270F Spin Rinse Dryer. Again, this went through the Sitek refurbishment program for a customer, and I just wanted to show the quality of our work and to let customers know we do offer this refurbishment program for other existing systems in the field. If there's any questions, my name is Jim Mullaney from Sitek Process Solutions. Our number is 916-797-9000. You can call and ask for anyone in the sales organization. They can get you information on pricing on our refurbishment program. All of our specifications and brochures on it also. Thank you. Have a great day.